This video is being brought to you by learningcomputer.com. Today our topic is Office 2013 tutorial working with a SkyDrive. So let's get going and see what we have to discuss. One of the new features with Office 2013, and there's lots of new features, but now you have seamless integration with the Microsoft SkyDrive. And in case you don't know SkyDrive, it's basically online storage and really online workplace from Microsoft where you can work with Word, Excel, and whatnot online. You can store these documents in the cloud. You can collaborate, and work with other people on the same document. So basically, that's what the SkyDrive is. You can sign up for it. It's free, and I believe you get like 6 gigabytes of space. So that's lots of documents. But in Office 2013, you'd really have integration now with the SkyDrive. And what are the advantages of this? Well, you can really work anywhere with your Office 2013 documents. You can also save your SkyDrive documents locally on your PC or tablets. You can also upload documents to the SkyDrive from other devices. So basically, there's more integration between the two. And today we are going to look at Microsoft Word 2013 and also Microsoft Excel 2013 with this. So I'm going to go ahead and launch my Word 2013 first. Okay. And then I'm going to, this definitely looks newer, and then we'll have to cover some of these other features, but I'm going to click on Open Other Documents. Okay. You will notice that now you have an option of working with your recent documents, which are right here, or you can obviously work with your computer, things like My Documents and browse folders or whatnot. But now you actually have an option for a SkyDrive, and it actually tells you a little bit about, what the SkyDrive is. It lets you access files from anywhere with anyone. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account. The account is free. I believe all you need is Hotmail account, or you can go to also live.com, and you can basically get this for free. So now I'm logging into my account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my SkyDrive, and I'm going to go ahead and browse. Okay. And while it's doing that, anyway, it loaded up pretty fast. Now you can notice that the location is something live.net, and here are my folders that are in my SkyDrive. I'm actually going to go find my sample cover letter and click open, and now it's loading from the SkyDrive. Okay. And now you can basically start working. So here's a cover letter, and I'm going to change a few things. The person I talked to regarding my position, his name was Scott, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. Also, I found this position actually from our friends at dice.com. Okay, so I will type that in. Everything looks good. I'll change this to 11 Creek Lane, Plano, Texas, or Plano, Texas. I don't know what is the right one. But anyway, so I modified this document. Remember, this is, on the SkyDrive, but we're working locally with our Office 2013, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. When I do that, you'll notice down here that it's going to save to the SkyDrive. So let's try that. And see, it's saying uploading to SkyDrive on the bottom. Okay. Now it went ahead and saved it. Now let me go ahead and close this. Okay, and I'm actually going to fire off a browser here. Okay, and I'm going to go to live.com, and I'm going to basically log into my SkyDrive that we just saved our document to. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to just verify that whatever we changed, in fact, did take effect. And when you're in your SkyDrive, you'll see that option on the top. I'm going to go to my SkyDrive. Okay, and this looks, it's very color coordinated, which is helpful. These dark blue ones are all folders. This is a PDF document, this is a PowerPoint, and everything in the green is in Excel, and the light blue is a Word document. So this was the document I worked on. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now what it's going to do is it's going to load the document in SkyDrive online. Okay, so notice that we do not have Microsoft Word on the bottom, and I'm going to these, you can see the changes. Scott is here, Dice is here, and I'm going to, let's just add something here. In fact, let me do this. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to click edit document, and then notice that you have the option of working with Word or with World Web App, which basically is the SkyDrive. Okay, and it brings up the SkyDrive. It's like I said, cut down version of Office. So let's go ahead and change my address. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and save this. Right, it's saving online. But here's what you can do also. You can actually do a file, save as. Okay, and you can download a copy to your machine. Okay, and now it's downloading. Here it is. If I do my downloads, you can see that let's go to this folder actually. Okay, so here in my downloads, this is where basically the letter is, and now you can obviously open this if you wanted to. Okay, and you can see that the address has been updated. So that's basically working with the SkyDrive. If we go back to this, I did want to show you a little bit. I can show you Excel also. So let me do that. And Excel 2013, I believe I have a grade book application. Okay, so I can show you that one. Let me go ahead and minimize this. Okay, again, you can select open other workbooks. You can go to your SkyDrive. Now, since I was already logged in, by the way, on the top you can see that I'm logged in. You should be able to see your documents. And then here is the thing I was working with. And this is actually for a class that I taught on databases. So here are the students and their grades and whatnot, and how they did. So obviously I can just like Word, I can change these things. I can save it to SkyDrive, or I can save it locally, okay, on my computer. So I believe that wraps up our tutorial. Thank you for watching the demo.